see what I got. And this is for the next 2 weeks probably of videos, so if you want to follow and make something, just go grab yours, okay? So the first thing I got was shirts. I have an order for a book author to make shirts. So I talked to him about quality, and this is a pretty good middle quality and pricing if you don't want to buy bulk and you want to sell a couple of them. Because if you wait the right time to buy it, Michaels put those on sale for $2.99, and that's what I did. They are kind of soft. I cannot complain. It could be softer, but like you paying $2.99. They don't lose the shape when you wash. They are not those type of shirts that when you get on the bottom, they are like not even straight. The quality is pretty good and it works fine. You wash it, it works still there. So we're going to make shirts coming up. And we're gonna make shirts 3 ways. We're gonna use vinyl. That's why you see then I got the matte red and the black. As you can see, goes matching with the shirts. You know, intermatching that's the color scheme. So we're gonna make shirts of vinyl, make shirts of 3D puff vinyl, and we also gonna use foil. And Missy says hi, guys. If you don't know Missy, he's in almost every video because he likes to see up here, right, Misty? Am I approved? Yes, okay. So for this, I made a Scrabble wall with all the names. Then we have our family, Evie, Misty, Missy's there, you know, kids, grandkids, dads, mom, everything is there. But now then the cat family keeps growing because we foster and some of them never make it back. I don't know what happened. You know, they just keep saying, I need more space. And we're also making a cat, even a wall for them to have fun, and I will share with you guys too. So subscribe so you don't miss those things coming. I'm gonna try to make my Scrabble pieces with canvas that, because I think his letter is already done. I just need to paint. So we're gonna do Scrabble letters canvas, and this one is a 4x4 and it was on sale. So I think it was buy one get one free. There was a sale on it, so go check it out at Michael's. My daughter is bedazzling everything now, and I will share some videos. I told her then she can record herself bedazzling so I can share. And then somebody told me when saw that she was making that, she made a cheer jacket for me to use on her competitions. And somebody said that the glue that she was using, the E7000 or the E6000, it does stink when you working on it, but they said that it's really not good for you. So I was trying to find alternatives that is gonna give her the same work. I got those 2 ones for her to try, then don't smell that bad, or it's bad for you. At least nobody said anything. I got the Aline Stack Glue and the Aline's Fabric Fusion, because I heard from different people, then there's their favorite, this is the favorite, so I'm gonna pick a favorite, or she's gonna pick a favorite. I also got leather and suede glue because I'm gonna try to play with leather more. And this is a Craft Smart metal leaf adhesive. I never used this before, but since I told you that I want to do something metallic with foil on the shirts, I thought that maybe this will help. If it's not really sticking, I don't know. Let's try. And for this is a try tutorial that I want to share with you guys soon. I saw on TikTok, and I'm gonna try to find who it is. A guy that had a great idea, amazing idea, in transforming the luxury gift bags like Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, all those fancy stores. He is using the bags, the paper bags, to wrap trays and boxes. So I look at that, I was like, first of all, amazing, super cool idea. I have so much wood boxes in here, but I want to try. So I asked around, got some bags, and I'm gonna try to make it. And this one I think is 14 by 12, so it's a good meter size to try. So don't forget to subscribe so you can see this one, because it's gonna be a very cool tutorial and coming up soon. And let's create something, guys. It's really good for your mind, it's good for your body. my channel is for everybody. So bye, I see you soon on the next video.